There might be influences of the flavor of your tongue, and there is no harm in that. That is what we have to learn. We don't have to speak English like a British man. We don't have to speak English like the native speaker, but we have to speak English flawlessly and without committing errors, grammatic, structural, and other errors. So it should be communicable to others when you speak. And it should be the right kind of a structure of a different language that a different language demands from you. So that should be your aim when you are attempting to speak in English. Let come what may, even if you make mistakes, don't bother about it. Because mistakes are part of growing up. Everyone, even the most accomplished speaker might have his or her own mistakes in life. So mistakes are part of our life. Unless otherwise we have mistakes, we have no place for what is right also. So, don't worry about mistakes, don't bother about mistakes, keep talking and keep talking. That's the only mantra that I can advise to you as good speakers of English. So, I would like to sum up my speech for the day because I don't want to prolong for a long time and bore you with the kind of sermon that I am going to give you. I don't want to sermonize. I would rather like you to practice what is being preached here rather than preaching for a long time. Because education is something, as we have said, it is the very philosophy of education is learning by doing. Rather than me talking to you more than 1 hour on a particular subject of how to deal with English in the present scenario, it's for you to start learning by doing. So take an oath, swear upon yourself that you're going to do it, you're going to make it. And as you're doing a favor to yourself, you're doing a favor to your institution, you're doing a favor to your country, you're doing a favor to everybody when you're doing that. So think of that and go ahead with all zeal and fervor. So that's what I have to tell you. And once again, I would like to sum up my speech here, thanking everybody and also reminding that English is no more the cultural icon of the British native speaker, but English has come to us. We can do our transactions in English. We can deliver our goods in English in a very effective manner. And that almost every individual has to do. Every individual. The professional profile of a modern engineer should be such that you have to show that you have developed good, effective speaking skills and also good proficiency in language. Also, personality development, the holistic personality development is also what matters. You have to present yourself in a very confident manner. Right now, most of us are diffident when we approach yet another third person or yet another stranger to speak in English. So that diffidence should be let alone. And you have to have the confidence in speaking English, in making yourself presentable, and picturing a full-fledged personality as engineers of tomorrow. So I would like to wish this group, I don't know whether just the third semesters are here or the other batches are also here. Anyway, not just the third semesters, but whoever, each and every student of this college, I would like to wish everything the best to happen to him or her. So with these words, I thank you once again for giving me the kind of pleasant listening that you have. It's been wonderful talking to you. It's been wonderful just being with you. So thank you, and I would also like to say that I love you all. Thank you.
Does anybody have any doubts to be clarified?